Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to move Steam games to another drive. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Steam and click on the Steam tab and select the settings. On left side select storage. On right side click on this drop down in here and select the add drive option and select the drop down and select the drive you want to add this game. For example, I have C drive and D drive. I need to add the game in D drive, so I'm selecting it and select add option. And now the drive has been added in this list. And now check mark the game you want to move and select. After checking it, select the move option and select the drive. For example, I'm going to move this to D drive and select move option. And now it has been moved C to D drive. As you can see, it successfully moved. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.